I just bought an acrylic resin nightlight. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I saw this acrylic resin nightlight online for sale, and I was like, it's only 20 bucks, I'm gonna buy it. And I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I just got it. Now, one of the things that I have seen on YouTube, and you may have seen them before, are these people who make these little resin dioramas. You know, they kind of create these little scenes, and then they fill them with colored resin. They look awesome. It's kind of like a permanent fishbowl, and they can do things from whales underwater to battleships to sunken cities, and so I always wanted those. But as far as I can tell, the people that make those online, they sell them for a lot of money. There's a lot of effort that goes into them. So you can imagine how excited I was when I saw something like that looked like it was only $20 and looked pretty cool. Now this is what I got here, and I will say that from the pictures to what I got, there is probably a little bit of a letdown in expectations. It really doesn't look quite as good as it did in the pictures, but I will say for $20, I actually think that's a pretty good deal. So let me just show you what we have here. First of all, this is the resin. Now, it's not a super polished, shiny resin here. It actually seems like there's a little glue or something. I kind of tried to wipe this off, but you can see how it's a little smudged there. So it looks like they almost sanded it down. I'm not sure if maybe they create a bunch of these and then they cut them like this, but this is, like, as far as I can tell, like a blue resin all the way through there. And that's what creates this little underwater cave scene. And so we have a little scuba diver here. Kind of looks like a humpback whale with like killer whale markings on it. And what I really like about this is that you get this underwater cave look right there. So where this wood meshes with the resin right here, it really does look like an underwater cave, and there's a little LED light built in there. Now I will say this wood finish here is all painted on. I actually think it's some sort of plaster or something, and I will say it doesn't seem to be made the same way as some of the ones online. I'm not sure exactly how they do it. I think that there are a couple of molds, because you can see there's a little bit of an imperfection here. So normally when they will do this, they'll take all the pieces that they're putting together and then fill this with resin so it's absolutely flush, and then they cut it, sand it down. But as you can see, they're kind of glued together here. So I think these are all separate pieces. They probably come out of 3 different molds and then they're glued together, and you know, for the price point, that's what you get. This little LED light in here seems to be molded in, and then it comes with, I think, about a 3-foot long cable to a USB port right here. Now I do want to show you that the scuba diver here and the whale right here, the way they did that is kind of interesting. As opposed to putting in little plastic pieces, which is what they do on a lot of these, they're actually just kind of cut out. I think they might be molded in. You could probably use like a Dremel tool and cut these out, but I think they're probably molded in. And what they do then is they paint them. This is just black filled here and black and white filled here, and so you get, because of these cutouts here, because it's all concave, when you flip it over, the paint makes it look like there are actual things in there. So it's kind of a clever way to do it. And again, like I said, this isn't exactly a super high-end piece, but if I just go ahead and plug it into my USB port there, you can see that this light goes on. And what it does, I think if you set it up like this, what it does is it looks like an underwater cave. So it kind of creates this light here. It kind of shines on here a lot more. It really does almost look like the sun peeking through the top. At night it looks pretty good. I will say, because of the imperfections, because it's made pretty hastily, one of the things that I probably want to do here is when I'm sitting it down, what I've noticed is that this edge here, even with this resin and to where it meets this little plaster piece here, it's not perfectly flat, so it tends to wobble a little bit. And so what I think I would do is probably put like sandpaper on a 2x4 and sand this down so that it's nice and flat, so it'll sit a little bit more securely. But I think it's just something that you want to put on your bookcase, your nightstand, something that looks kind of cool, that gives you a cool effect, especially at night, something that's maybe a little serene, peaceful, otherworldly. You know, it's pretty cool. So if I were judging this based on what the pictures that they advertise this with, I would probably say I was pretty disappointed. And if you want something that's a really high quality with little figurines that are floating inside the resin, you're probably looking at $100 or more. But at 20 bucks, I will say I think this is a pretty good deal. Now, one of the other things I want to mention here is that this came from overseas, and I'm not sure if it's just because of delays in shipping or whatnot, but this took almost 3 months to get. So actually, after about 2 months, I thought, oh man, I got scammed, but it's only 20 bucks, so I'm not going to sweat it too much. But it did arrive here. So the tracking number that they sent, even though I couldn't figure out which parcel delivery service they were using, actually was legit, and it did show up, and so I'm happy with that. And like I said, for the price point, I think it's a good value. I'm pretty happy with it. I'll actually keep it. Even though it's a little bit chintzy, it still looks pretty cool, and it's something that I don't see very often. So if you want to live a little better by brightening up your room or office, I'll put a link to the company where I bought this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.